Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your monitor using a keyboard shortcut on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a very straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by actually creating a physical shortcut on our desktop here. So you're going to right click in a blank area on your desktop, select New, and then select where it says Shortcut. I'm going to have a path in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it and then paste it in here. You can see it starts at powershell.exe and it ends with a little end quotation mark and there's parenthesis in there so you can see what we're working with here. Select next, and now you can name this whatever you want. We're going to just call it turn off the monitor. I mean, it doesn't have to really mean anything, but just make it something that you're going to recognize. And I'm not even going to add the shortcut on the end of it, and just select finish. And now that you have this here on our desktop, you're going to go right click on it, select properties, select the shortcut tab, which it should automatically take you to, and then where it says shortcut key, you go ahead and tap whatever key on your keyboard you want to have it as the keyboard combination to turn it off. So you can do any letter of the alphabet basically. Whenever you type this key combination, it should turn off your monitor. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.